There we go. So I made some fixes to the image wrapping. Previously, it was throwing errors whenever it was going off the edge here of the mesh. So you can see the hat brim does not go back inside. Anyway, so I've been doing this, and you can see how I can rotate it, and it's hanging off the side, and it looks good. So here's the, as you can see, it is wrapping completely around the brim and then sticking off the edge. So most of the meshes, well, I don't know. I guess for the clothing, like, those are typically one-sided. So yeah. And that's just an example. So the triangle will be correctly on the right side, although this is actually off the mesh anyway. So I need to cut these UVs off and then transfer it onto the base mesh, basically. But other than that, I mean, you can see it's looking really good. So then it can wrap around the other side as well. So I am very happy with this. And of course you can move it around. So up there on the top, or I would like to get it on the side here, but I don't know. It's kind of hard. There we go. So, and then rotate it. And of course you can do this with a transparent image. So it could be like any shape. It's not, but of course the image will be constrained within a square. So yeah, but if you have a tattoo with transparencies, you know, it'll just look like the design. So yeah, that's looking really good. I'm happy with this. And I can scale it up. It is kind of slow, so I do need to optimize, but I mean, optimization can come after functionality. You got to get it to work first, you know. So I think that looks really good. So yeah, it's definitely better than projection. But you can see it is kind of lumpy still. So it gets like these wider areas. And that's because I'm just checking the vertical lines on the side and the end, and then I take the shortest path. So like with Euclidean geometry, it would make a grid. If you do that, take the shortest path between 2 points. But when it's on a mesh surface, you get, it kind of dips in and outwards like so. So I'm thinking about that. I'll probably have to, well, so I'm going to add subdivisions, like in photo or in a Blender, you know, you can subdivide the mesh and it just generates extra vertices and edges. So through here, I'll just add more perpendicular vertical lines, and that will bring the mesh in to the same distance. So, yeah, I do need to do a little bit more work on this, but so far, you know, I think it's really good. So, and yeah, it's slow. Of course, the smaller your scale is, the faster it will work. And of course, it does look better when it's smaller as well. So you can see there's significantly less warping. I mean, this pretty much looks like if you took a bumper sticker and put it on that surface, you know, it would. So it's maintaining its shape pretty well here. Anyway, this is just kind of fun to play with. See, we have it wrapping, like all the way around the corner there. So yeah. I hope you guys found this interesting. Be sure to let me know if you've got any questions or suggestions. So you can get it to line up pretty good there. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. So my next plan is to sort of subdivide this so that whenever it's bigger, it doesn't warp as much. So, but even, I mean, it handles it pretty well, to be honest. So there, it's pretty big. So, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later.